Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, February 26, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, February 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong February 26, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 26, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 70 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 83 million pesos for Monday, February 26, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, February 26, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.